Sorry. Come on, yeah. Finish. Yes. Brilliant. Push it like that. Yeah.
My good win 4-1 against Porthmadog. After 3 defeats in a row, we needed to win today really, and you got a good performance and a good results go with it.
Yeah, I think, like you've already said it there, we needed a win. We knew that as a group, and what's pleased me today is that the result has matched the performance, which we kind of felt over, especially the last 2 games. I felt the performances were there, but the results haven't matched it. So what we wanted today was to match the 2 together, and I think that's what we've done against what is a very good Porthmadog side. So really pleasing from our point of view.
Robbie today's not got on the score sheet, but he's done pretty much everything else. He's just coming back from fitness, and a fit Robbie Parry is going to make it a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, I think just having somebody who can kind of create things out of nothing, brilliant on the ball, can hold it in, but then is just creating so many chances for us. I said to him, I'm not too worried about how many he's scoring. If he keeps setting them up the way that he is, we're all winners. He's got a really good relationship and partnership with people like Dean Seague, Bry Roberts, and that we're seeing the fruits of that come through now. If he keeps putting in performances like that, again, we are going to be in a very good place.
Everyone's pitching in with goals as well. Dean's got 4, Danny's got 3, Pry's got 2. It's not just one person running away with it. Is that better to have everyone pitching in?
It was kind of how we looked at it, because and a few people had said to me before the season even started that we haven't really got kind of a 30 goal a season striker in our team. But what I knew we had was goals all over the pitch. I've told Dean Seague he's got to get 15 this season, and then the rest will chip in, and that is now what's happening. So it's important that we've got those players on the pitch who can chip in. Danny scored that first one today from a set piece. It's just allowed us just to relax a little bit and then settle into the game. So yeah, I think having goals coming from all over the pitch is a positive. We've got a good balance at the moment in terms of creativity, the work rate and the graft, and then the ability to defend as well. And I've been really pleased with the defending over the last sort of 2 or 3 games. It does give us a platform to build from.
Andy Marshall as well, after last week he's really bounced back to over goal as well, and he's been solid as well, so what have you got to say about that?
Yeah, again, I thought Ant did really well against Conway. It was just an unfortunate, it was one of them. It was a footballing incident where he just happens to be the one that it's come off to go in. I think since he's come back into the side, he's been really solid, and he's growing with the group. The more games that he plays, the better he's looking, and for him to go and get a goal today, I think, again, it's like a reward for the performance that he's put in.
On to the next one, Albanga. They're a pretty much unknown team at the moment, but they've had a really good start to the season.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
So I've been to see him a few times, had a look at him just to see what to expect. Like you say, you look at the team sheet, and apart from a couple of names I recognise, I don't know these players. I don't know what they can bring and what they're about. So we've had a good look at them. We know what they're going to do, how they're going to do it. Like you say, they're a good side, they've had a very good start. So it'll be down to us again to build on what we've been doing for the last 3 or 4 weeks, and to go into that game in the right frame of mind, and to impose ourselves on the game and impose our way of playing on the game, to make sure that we totally nullify what it is that they want to do.
That's what, mate.
Thank you, Rich.